Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're making chicken and broccoli bake. My rendition of it. Super creamy. It's really good. It's got a lot of flavor to it, and it's yummy. Trust the bear. The bear will eat it, so it's good. So let's get over here and let's get to cooking. All right, y'all. Start getting this put together. It's real simple. Uh, two 12-ounce bags of broccoli pieces, frozen. Now you don't have, you can use, less broccoli if you want, but I like a lot of broccoli. That's mine. Now this is 3 chicken breasts. Normally I just use 2, but I had chicken the other night. This is some leftover, and there was 2 regular breasts and like a third or 2/3 of one. So we're going to use all of it, just because it's delicious. Now, try to space it out so it's kind of around the whole entire pan. Now here's something that I do away from the original recipe. It didn't call for bacon, but I like to put a little bacon in mine. So it just, everything's better with bacon, right? That's one 2.5-ounce pack of the real bacon bits. Now, set that aside. We got to mix up our sauce to go over top, and we're going to start out with a can of condensed mushroom soup. And you can use mushroom soup, because usually I use 2 cans of mushroom soup and 1 can of chicken soup, the condensed cream of chicken soup. So I just happen to have 2 cans of mushroom. You can use all chicken, you can use all mushroom. You can even throw a can of mushroom, chicken, and celery, cream of celery. Get your can cleaned out as best as possible. So there's 1 can of mushroom, 1 can of the chicken. Oh, get out of there. Get out there. Alright. Clean our can out here. Don't drop the can in the soup or in the mix like I just did. Hang on to it. I need to wipe my hands off. And we're going to do a 3rd can, just because I want it extra creamy. Okay. Now you can I use between a half and 2/3 cup of mayonnaise. Okay. Get rid of these lids. And forgot one other little item. About 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. I don't know what the lemon juice does, but it does something. So there's that. And then I mix in a little bit of pepper. A little bit of garlic powder. And there's enough salt with the bacon, at least in my opinion. And a little bit of onion powder. Now, just mix this all up good. Bottom all good and mixed up there. Alright, now let's see if we can do this without making a huge mess. We're going to dump this over top. Get all the goodness out of that bowl we can. Alright, that's going to be good enough. We're just going to smoosh that over top. Get all the edges and stuff covered. And as we bake this, it'll sink down in there and get mixed with everything. So, alright. Now, the very last, but not least, clean my finger off, cheese. Everything has to have cheese, right? And this is about 1.5 cups. We just want a nice light. Ooh. I use cheddar. This is extra sharp. Just kind of schmooze that out. Cover the whole entire top. Now I have left the cheese out before and covered it with breadcrumbs like Pinko, and that is also very, very good. But today I want cheesy. So now we're going to bake this. We're going to bake it. We're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. So my oven's still warming up, so I'm gonna let it warm up, and once it's warm, we'll throw it in, bake it, and we'll bring you guys back. Alright, y'all, there it is out of the oven. It's got a nice little brown to it. Now I baked it for 30 minutes. Checked it. It wasn't hot and bubbly yet, so, and the cheese had just melted, sorta. So I popped her back in the oven and baked it for another 15 minutes. So total of 45 minutes. Ovens vary, so you know, I bake it for 30 minutes, check it, and see if you think it's done, because everything's cooked besides the broccoli. So yeah, I'm going to let it sit and cool a little bit, and then we'll dig into this and do the taste test. Alright, y'all, this is substantially cooled down, so we can eat it. So let's see if we can't get some of this here chicken and broccoli out of the pan, and we'll have some. Get a little bowl over here. Ooh, y'all, look at that. That's the best. I want all that yummies. Alright. So, alright, let's go do the taste test. Alright, y'all. We got our chicken and broccoli yumminess. So, let's do our taste test. Y'all, that is heaven. absolute heaven. The bacon and the chicken and the broccoli with the creaminess and the cheese. Ooh, man. Comes together so deliciously. So there you have it. Bear's chicken and bacon. Chicken, bacon, and broccoli bake. Whatever you want to call it. You know, just call it good. Yeah. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. And remember, like, comment, subscribe. And hit ring the bell when you subscribe. Make sure you get all the notifications. Everything we do here at the kitchen, out the tractor pulls, in the shop, wherever we happen to be. And also a reminder, check out my Amazon link store down there in the bottom. Go there. All the stuff I use out in the shop and tools and all that kind of stuff, it's all in there. If you buy it through the link, it doesn't cost you any more, but I get a little teeny tiny little cut, you know. So, I mean, a few cents on the dollar. So, appreciate y'all, and we'll catch y'all next time. And as always, bon appetit.